Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm sharing a recipe of Ney Pathiri. I'm not an expert in doing this, but I just follow the tips I've received from my friends and it works for me. A mixer jar, take some shallots, freshly grated coconut, cumin seeds, add in little water if required and make a coarse paste. Boil some water in a kadai, add in some salt and mix well. Switch off the flame, add in rice flour and ground coconut paste and mix well. You can mix using wet hands, but the temperature of the dough at this point is quite high, so a whisk and a silicone spatula comes in handy. Once it's mixed well and forms a dough consistency, transfer it to a plate and let it cool down for a few seconds. It should not be very cold or at room temperature. The temperature should be just comfortable to be handled with bare hands. Make small roundels of the dough and keep it aside. Place the dough roundels on the puri maker and press it. Drop them into medium hot oil for frying. If you don't have a puri press, you can use a plate to flatten the roundels, or the puri press can very easily be bought from Amazon. I have mentioned the link in the description box. Check them out. Let it fry till it gets golden brown color. Once done, you can take it out on a kitchen towel and drain the excess oil. Ney Pathiri tastes the best when it's served with chicken curry or with meat gravy. I've made a video on a chicken curry which goes very well with this. Sharing the link in the description box. Do check it out. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe. If you have any suggestions or tips and tricks that I can use in my videos, please do share them in the comments box. Thank you.